Okay, so we've given it time to dry, and now we're going to come back in with step 2 of our background. I'm going to use teal, Hansen yellow, and primary magenta. You can use whatever colors you would like. These are the ones that I have on hand, and so those are the ones I'm going to use. And I also went in, because I told you I put my pencil marks to the edge, and I put little white marks that would stand out so I could see where my division was. And I'm going to start with teal and white, and I'm going to do the same thing, up and down, over the top, and we're not worried if some of the gray and black shows through. That's part of our rain effect. And again, we don't want to blend so that it becomes one color. We try not to go back and forth too many times. Doesn't always work, because we might not get that coverage in one of the brush, and if it's not flowing, you don't have enough water in your paint. So, and we're going to go over to that white line with our teal and white mixture, straight up and down. Try to be as straight as you can. Like I said, I prefer to paint flat, and I feel like I have more control, but you folks out here in YouTube land would not be able to see what I'm doing. So we are almost to our line, and we are there. Okay. More water. There we go. Okay, now without rinsing my brush, just getting a little more water, I'm going to go into my yellow and white and start here. And if the yellow mixes with the teal a little bit, it'll give us kind of a green color, which is fine, because when rainbows change, they blend, you know. It's where you get the orange in your rainbow from, when the yellow touches the blue. Remember, try not to blend. Keep your paint moist with water. And it's okay if we see some of that gray and black come through. Just remember, it's rain, so it's going to help us get this, I guess you'd call it like an abstract rain effect. And these flat brushes tend to leave, the mark from where you lift your paint up. I probably should have tried out my filbert with this, but I didn't. And we're almost to our line again. And can we guess what color is next? So very straight here. We are going to use our primary magenta or red and our white. And if it mixes with the yellow a little bit, that's okay, because then you're going to get some orange in your picture. So, up and down. Try not to blend it too much. We want the colors to show through. Keep your paint wet so that it flows for you. I'm used to my water and everything being over here, so I'm kind of working backwards. Oops. This looks a little rough there. Okay, that looked a little wider, so maybe let me grab some of my yellow and go right through here and see if we can't get that orange transition. Kind of white. Oops. When that happens, your paint's in the drying stage, and it will lift up and like put a hole. But I think we're good. I like that. And I have one more thing, once this dries, that I want to do with our background. And it is hopefully going to look like bubbles. So we're going to pause this. We'll say this is part 2 of the background, and I hope you continue to watch and paint along with me, and when you're done, share your results. And okay, I'm going to stop now because I'm rambling and let this dry, and I will be back.